Hello, today I have a great and easy recipe of a sourdough pizza with 100% whole wheat flour. This pizza is healthier and perfect for the summer, and I know you're gonna like it. So, here we go! Pour 255 grams or 1 1/8 cups of water in a bowl. Add 20 grams or 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 10 grams or half a tablespoon of sea salt, and 100 grams or a third of a cup of sourdough starter. Mix well all ingredients with a dough whisk until the sourdough starter dissolves in the water. Add 90 grams or half a cup of red whole wheat flour and mix to incorporate. Add 40 grams or a third of a cup of vital wheat gluten. I am adding vital wheat gluten to have a soft and elastic dough, perfect for pizza, since whole wheat flour has a lower percentage of gluten. If you don't have vital wheat gluten, you can substitute the same amount with bread flour. Now add 210 grams of white whole wheat flour and mix well until there are no dry spots remaining in the dough. I am using two different kinds of whole wheat flour here because I like the flavor and texture I get when I combine these flours. But if you don't have these two different kinds, use the one you have in your pantry. Use your hand to knead inside of your bowl. Then, take the dough out of the bowl and start kneading it by hand until the dough is soft and elastic for about 15 to 20 minutes. When your dough is ready, make a ball and place it in a greased bowl. Cover with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap and place it in the fridge overnight. The next morning, get the dough out of the fridge at least 4 hours before you plan to make your pizzas. Make a bowl with your dough and divide it in 2 equal pieces. Make 2 balls with your dough, making sure to add tension to the dough, and place them on a prepared baking sheet. Cover the dough with a plastic lid, plastic wrap, or with a wet towel, and let the dough ferment for about 4 hours. In the meantime, go ahead and prepare the mushrooms for your pizza. Sauté 2 cups of mushrooms on a hot pan with some olive oil and add 2 chopped cloves of garlic. Cook the mushrooms well until they dry up, and add salt and pepper to taste. After 4 hours, shape your pizzas. Use enough flour to shape your pizzas. Use your hands to press your pizza from the center of the dough to the extremes. Then, use a rolling pin to stretch the dough. This dough is as soft and elastic that you can use your hands to stretch it well and it won't break. Place your dough in a pizza pan. Pour some extra virgin olive oil all around the dough and 2 smashed cloves of garlic. Use a brush to distribute well the oil and garlic on all the surface of the dough. Place all the mushrooms that you previously prepared and add some fresh mozzarella cheese on top. Place the pizza in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, or until your dough is golden brown. Check the crust of your pizza before taking it out of the oven. Mine still needs a couple more minutes. When your pizza is ready, take it out of the oven and wait around 5 minutes before you finish it off. Place it on a cutting board and place some arugula on top and some Parmesan cheese on top. Add some extra virgin olive oil mixed with lemon juice in equal parts, plus salt and pepper to taste. This lemon vinaigrette will intensify the flavors of the pizza. And finish off with some red pepper flakes. This healthy pizza is very soft and delicious. The nutty flavors of the crust, plus the umami of the mushrooms, combined with the arugula and the lemon vinaigrette, make it a real treat. Enjoy! This is one of my favorite pizzas and it's delicious. I know you're gonna love it. If you like this video, please click in the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week. Thank you for watching.